Alright, just like dude saying.
Right there's a igniter.
I got two little
Boys.
two deals. Alright, this is my firing test. This is my last fire, my rocket from FrollFit.com.
Oh,
Dad, videotape this.
Oh, sorry.
yeah, everybody on this side.
Alright,
He's not gonna shoot.
I'm doing two videos. One on the rocket and one I'm actually doing. Power is off.
I hope so.
Hope so.
The life you really saved may be your father's.
Someone go grab my helmet.
Where's your helmet?
In the bedroom.
Hold on. Oh crap, what just dropped?
Your phone.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, your phone. You need your helmet.
Where? Backpack?
Yeah, hold on, I'll go grab it.
Bubba, get his helmet in the bedroom.
I'll go get it.
Well, like, what the?
He's gonna wear a helmet. What we get? What do we get?
Yeah, no, really. We get the grill. Well, just that's probably hot. Yeah,
We get to run.
yeah, these are my good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Kid, your hair.
Yeah, that's all from the game, actually. From a video game. Nick, why are you over there? Come on this side.
As long as you don't point the thing at nobody, we're good to go.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, Ray, why don't you walk to the end and point that way? Okay.
I'm scared.
No, he's going down there, babe. He's going down there.
I'm still scared.
Is this? All it's gonna do is hiss.
Okay.
Keep the fingers in fire on the coupon, not gonna let go.
Aim it high, Ray.
I know.
Hope it works. Hope it doesn't kick.
Power on! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't point it at us.
And no more.
There's nothing in it. Handmade. That's a handmade chocolate one. I'm telling you, we need it.
Alright, Dad, you can press stop.
Okay.